What's coming?
The garbage truck. The garbage.
What are they gonna do?
Pick our trash up.
Pick our trash up?
Pick our trash up.
Ethan, who's coming?
The garbage truck.
Uh-huh. Who's driving it?
The garbage man.
Yep.
They're gonna pick our trash.
Uh-huh. Who you like better, the garbage man or the recycling man?
The garbage.
Do you want to work on a garbage truck one day? Or do you work in a school?
I work in a school.
Ethan wants to work on a garbage truck? Are you going to wear shades like that, Ethan?
Yeah. I don't wear shades like that.
Okay. Where's the truck? Do you see it?
Ah! See it? It's a big street. There's a pea on it on my E. There's a pea on it on my P. See it? You see my E and my Piper's P?
That's an older gentleman today emptying the trash.
Is it almost gone?
They're almost gone. They're gonna pick our trash.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's leaving.
No, they haven't gotten our trash yet.
Wow, he's about to get our trash. It's the coolest thing ever.
I don't know why he's not using that little thing.
Maybe he doesn't know. Somebody should have told him.
Well, yeah.
That ain't cool. Girls, you sure you want to do that job?
Yeah.
Might be smelly.
There might be seaweed.
Trash doesn't smell good.
They're gonna go different
They're gone.
Is he gone?
Not gone yet. I still see them. I still see them.
Hey, say bye to the camera. You've been on camera.